Hi everybody, welcome to part 3 of the Happy Halloween Quilt As You Go table mat. In part 1, we created 2 pinwheel blocks, and in part 2, we created 2 pumpkin face blocks. Today, I'm creating the middle block with the words Happy Halloween. All right, let's get sewing. Here is the middle quilt block, the background fabric, batting, and backing fabric all together because this is Quilt As You Go. And now I'm drawing straight lines with my Choco marker. I love this marker. And I'm drawing them 1.5 inches apart. And I'm going to be sewing wavy lines over these straight lines. So these are just a guide. I have my open toe walking foot on, and I did add a few pins to hold all my layers together. I'm going to start with my needle lined up with the chalk line, and then I'm going to use the red lines. There are guides on my walking foot to be my guide as I sew the wavy lines. So look at the foot that you're using and then use either the outside edge or your own lines to create your own guides. The Happy Halloween letters fit on one page, and they are reversed in order to use with fusible web. And for this project, I actually used the Heat and Bond light product that's made specifically to work with inkjet printers. It was super easy to use. Just make sure the letters are printed on the non-shiny side of the paper, and then that's the side that gets pressed onto the wrong side of the fabric. I'm just doing a straight stitch around all the letters, and I don't want to break my thread each time I finish a letter, so I'm going to sew over stitches I've already sewn and make my way to the next letter by sewing across the wavy lines. That's it for this week's video. Okay, we have all the blocks prepared. Tune in next week as we start to put them together Quilt As You Go style. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next week.